Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Settings and tapping Sound. This gets you directly to notification controls. Once there, make sure you're looking at Notifications or Default Notification Sound. You need the audio accessible, either a built-in tone or a custom file in Files or Music. That's why having the file ready saves time. Tap Default Notification Sound now so you can pick or add. This first step sets the target for the rest of the process and prevents backtracking. Next, choose whether to use a built-in tone or import your own. You do this because custom files let you personalize alerts. If you import, tap Add or the plus icon, navigate to the folder where the MP3 or WAV lives and select it. The system converts or validates formats. Preview the sound to verify length and clarity and make small volume adjustments if given. Once you hear it, you'll understand why this step prevents unexpectedly loud or too short. Now assign and save the new notification sound so it becomes active. Once done, test it by sending a message or using the preview button. Testing confirms both sound and loudness. If the tone doesn't play, make sure Do Not Disturb is off and the app has permission to play sounds. Those are common blockers. If you still have issues, restart the device and recheck the file format. That often resolves lingering playback permission or codec problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.